to do laundry. Sure, it does take a long time and a little bit of effort to do so, but you gotta admit, it's better than beating them on rocks and washing them by the river. You will need a washing machine, laundry detergent, and dryer, and some optional equipment would be clothesline, bleach, fabric softener, and stain remover. In this video, our group will be discussing the different types of detergents used, as well as the pros and cons. We will tell you how much detergent to use and how much is needed in order to wash your clothes in the machine, as well as talk about the most environmentally and friendly detergents. A few other things we'll be talking about is how to use the machines and whether you should use the top load or the front load. As a group, we are just focusing on how to wash and dry clothes while living an independent life.
As simple as it seems, washing clothes is more than dumping a pile of dirty underwear in the machine and throwing in random amounts of detergent. First, let's talk about washing machines. Generally speaking, a front-load washing machine works more efficiently because it partially uses gravity to spin the clothes. So pick that if you can, because it helps you save on your electricity bills as well as being slightly more environmentally friendly. Now, what about detergents? Should we go with liquids or powders? Powdered detergents are generally cheaper and come in biodegradable friendly cardboard boxes. However, they don't dissolve as well in water as some people think. Powdered detergents also have more chemicals than liquid ones, with the sodium sulfate in some wreaking havoc on septic systems. Meanwhile, liquid detergents are pre-dissolved. Plus, you can pour them directly onto stains to treat them. However, their plastic bottles mean it isn't such a great option in terms of being environmentally friendly. In the end, it is up to your budget and your judgment as to which type of detergent you want. Try investigating based on your local supermarket, because brands vary in different countries. What about softeners? Softeners are not replacements for detergents. Instead, they should be added in the middle of the wash cycle to remove extra soap, which then leads to softer clothes.
6 best ways to do laundry and wash your clothes. The 2-week cycle. If you aim to wash your clothes every 2 weeks, you'll have less time to wash and spend less money and time doing laundry. Who really wants to spend hours and hours with a pile of clothes? Color separation. It's really obvious, right? You would be surprised to see how many people don't put their clothes in piles. The main colors to look out for when clothes washing are red, blue, black, white, and green. Whites are mainly socks, t-shirts, pillowcases, and towels. For dark clothing, place dark colors like red and dark blues together. Soap and bleach. Using bleach is recommended because it takes out tough stains and gets your whites cleaner. Buying a bar of soap is made for washing clothes and shave off the bits and pieces. Load. When you load the washer, it's best to not time it out with clothes that barely fit in. This will cause you to have an unbalanced load with your clothes and will not wash right. If you load your washer to 80 to 90% capacity, this leaves plenty of space for soap and water to move around. It needs this little bit of breathing room so it can also rinse properly. Instead of washing towels, sheets, and blankets all in one load, try to color separate the towels and sheets with other loads. Drying. Whites dry the fastest, while darks take the longest to dry. If you have a load of clothes to have a lot of heavy articles to dry, it's best to split them in two. A large load of heavy or dark clothing will take a long time to dry. Folding and optional ironing. Right after drying, throw everything in separate piles depending on what they are and what they fit into. And from then you can fold, and if you want to, you can iron them. You will save a lot of time this way. Fold pants and dresses first. Since these are the easiest to do so, if you fold your clothes this way, you will save at least 30% of your time.
There are 5 important points that you need to remember when you're doing laundry.
First, always check the labels on your clothing first. The label may indicate that the clothes should not be washed or need to be washed in a special way. The international clothing symbols can tell you everything you need to know about how to wash an item. Sort out the clothes into different colors and kinds, each of which will be washed separately. For example, white clothes. Light clothes, these items will be pastel colors and similarly light colored clothes. Dark clothes, these items will be black, navy, dark green, or any shade of red. Towels and sponges. When washing these items, add 2 tablespoons of white vinegar as the water fills the machine to kill bacteria and get rid of that musty towel smell. Color aprons, underwear, and delicates. Third, empty all your pockets of any pens, money, or important papers. Fourth, hang your clothes outside if you can instead of using dryer. It is more energy efficient and cheaper. However, this should only be if the climate permits it. And finally, check the lint tray before drying. Place your clothes in the dryer. Make sure lint tray is emptied as a full tray can cause fires or make it impossible to dry the clothes. Tap tray gently upside down against garbage to empty it.